still gone for my run. I've done it. Fairly's still asleep, so I'm going to go straight to the market to get stuff done. I've got my bag and I'm going to go do the kombucha run. I'm going to get banana bread and I'm going to come home, and then I've got a bunch of stuff to do before the girls come over and just like clean up the place. Yeah, let's get going. It is busy this morning, but I have secured the goods. Got an extra bottle because James is coming over as well, so that's, he can actually like have some. I'm gonna go get the banana bread and then go home and then carry on with the rest of the stuff I need to do today. All the good stuff. There are loads of flavors of banana bread, but we ended up getting the one we really liked from last time, which was the raspberry and pear, it was so good. And then we got mango coconut, which I'm curious about, but can't be bad. And the guy at the store is super nice. He remembered me from last time and was like, oh, your boyfriend's half Turkish, because he's Turkish. So that was really, really cute. And then I got some of the good honey because we bought this tea tree one, which is more medicinal, and I feel like you can kind of taste, like it tastes different. But the macadamia honey is the really good one, and the manuka is like the medicinal one that tastes really good. Okay, so this week I ended up getting 2 mango of the kombucha and 1 hibiscus because they didn't have the blackcurrant one anymore. Okay, now I think I'm going to run to the shops, do the groceries. I pretty much want to do everything that I need to do outside so then I can stay home and then get everything else done sorted. I'm also hungry, but I figure I can eat breakfast later. Totally forgot to vlog. I'm in Kmart at the moment. I've gotten all my groceries done. I now have the quilts, fitted sheet. This bucket was $1. What a steal. And I think that's all I needed to get from here. I swear I love my friends. They just texted me like, so do we have to be at yours at 2? And I was like, no, it's from 2 because I should be done from 2 onwards. And they're like, okay, so we're coming a little bit later, which is great for me because then it means I get to take my time with doing stuff this morning as well. And it's a sleepover, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, happy days. Whew, I'm running back to the car because Faraday has an appointment and I said I'd drop him off. I didn't realize the time. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I managed to get him to his appointment, I think 2 minutes late, which is nothing, which is great. So now I'm just driving back home. I'm gonna get everything sorted at home and then do the rest of the errands that I need to do today before the girls show up. And I'm just kind of glad that they're all having a lazy morning in or just running errands so that I get to finish everything up and I get to read. Really want to read because like I said, this book it's so good. It is so good, and I'm on book 5. It's getting better. Last night I was exhausted and I still stayed up to read like 2 extra chapters, but then Fairy came to bed and I was like, okay, right, it's time to go to bed. Whew. Well, that was eventful. Okay, now let's have some breakfast. Okay, breakfast is done. I've just set the dishwasher on so we have everything clean for when the girls come. I've got to put everything away and then start doing some reading, some cleaning, but we've got a couple of hours before they're coming. I just need to check if Faraday needs me to pick him up after his appointment. But yeah. Everything's going smoothly. It's such a good day. Damn. Also, this bucket, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this bucket was $1. I needed a bucket for cleaning, but $1? Like, what a steal. Okay, everything's put away. Now I can probably start reading, I think. Get that out of the way. Reading's done. Notes are taken. I just picked up Faraday as well, and now we're gonna clean, get it all ready. Looking a lot more tidy in here. We have to vacuum this room, so let me move this exit here. Ooh. Gonna vacuum this room, mop it, and then we get to roll out the mattress, put on the duvet and covers, and then this room is done. So now that I'm in like the cleaning mood, I really want to like organize and get everything sorted, but it's also not like necessary, so I'm just trying to figure out like the good medium of getting stuff done but also not prioritizing stuff that's not important. Now we can roll this out. Now if I am not mistaken, I should just be able to leave this in here and it will inflate itself. The mattress is slowly but surely inflating. Liner for it is actually in the wash. We're hoping that it can dry by tonight so that it can be nice and clean. Duvet covers here. The pillows are still in my room. We're just throwing away the last bits of trash, and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen at some point. I'm just I think it gets to a point where you've been cleaning for like 2 hours and you're like, yeah, I'm done now, I don't want to clean anymore. Yeah, pretty much everything's done, which I'm so happy about. I thought it might be good to maybe like use some Palo Santo on this space. It's been a while. And just like bring in good energy now that we've cleaned the place. So I have actually learned that sage is what you really use to like clear and cleanse, whereas Palo Santo is more of like inviting, which is really interesting to you guys as well.